everyone, this is Lavanya और आज हम पूछने वाले हैं how much does this gentleman know about which products do we use in our daily lives. So product is this.
Crack bandage.
Okay, this is not a crepe bandage but a body tape. Second.
These look like bracelets maybe? No.
No.
For me, it looks like some kind of decoratives. I don't know.
Silicone pasties. Third one.
This looks like, I don't know, again, some kind of decorative. Everything feels like a decorative to me. I don't know.
Some accessory maybe that you use for.
This is birth control. Yes.
Looks like Iron Man kind.
Third one is this.
It's a face mask.
No.
Is this some kind of clay to remove makeup or something?
Is this a gift from your boyfriend or a heart shape?
It's a gua sha. Okay, the next one.
Bracelet, definitely. Hair accessory?
Definitely.
Some kind of hair extension for me.
This is a tampon. Next one.
My God.
Yeah, this is pretty simple. This is
Yes.
something you use to hang your clothes, right? I think
Toe separator. मैनिक्योर पेडिक्योर सब कराते हैं यार. Easy.
this is for eyelashes. Eyelash.
Okay, चलो कुछ तो पता है. Next one.
I know this. This is something that you use to clean your nose, right?
Blackheads or whiteheads.
Yes, correct. And the last one.
Scrubber.
Scrubber.
Bluetooth speaker. No.
Close.
Body scrubber. Foot scrubber. Toe scrubbers. Something like that.
Some kind of
scrubber.
loofah.
So this is it. और हमें पता चल गया है बहुत बुरा ही स्कोर है मतलब